Wave Architects. So right now, as you can see, I'm standing outside this beautiful residence that we just completed for the client. So today is the final site handover. I'm going to take you inside and we are just going to have a look at the interiors and the complete site. But let me first walk you towards the exterior facade of the residence. So as you can see, the major concept that we used was to create an open type of planning. So the use of glasses could be seen, there are clear glass to glass joints are there. We avoided the brickwork so that there could be abundant amount of natural light in the house. So as you walk along with me, you can see this amazing residence which is at a perspective view. So you can just show to all of them the kind of view that we get from here. And the best part about this is that as I stand here, we have this huge wooden deck, and right behind me is the main lounge area of the house and the dining. So all the inmates of the house, they have an access to the light and to this amazing view which spans this residence. Now let me walk you further ahead. You can see that this is a double height core of the house. Basically this has been cleverly designed because this is the service entrance, but we kind of recessed it in a manner that it becomes the part of the elevation itself. So I would say that yes, it is all while you're designing and you're perceiving the idea, it's very important to create that zones in the house which are reflected towards the recesses. So right behind me is the outhouse we have designed for the guests. And as you can walk here, these are good feature walls with a lot of plantation. As you can see, is coming. We are planning a good Buddha sculpture over the zone. Further, keeping in mind the Vastu of the house, we have segregated the prayer room in the northeast corner. As you can see, it is said that if the prayer room is placed right above a pedestal, it creates a Brahmasthan. So that was the concept which we kept in mind while we were coming with this. I love this wooden detail and the work of wooden paneling which has been done throughout, and even these wooden pillars. As you can see that this is the main driveway of the house which spans across 100 feet of length. So it provides parking place for good 4 to 5 cars. I also love this slider MS door. So this entire slider door makes it easier for the car to come and allow the ease of access is there. Further walking ahead, we can show this entire zone. What I completely love is this entrance foyer of the house. As I stand here, there is this huge canvas to work with because the play of scale and height is something which highlights the entrance immediately to this residence. So yeah, let's get inside the house. So you can see that these are huge double doors which open towards the inside of the house. Right now I am standing in the main foyer of the house. If you can show them above, we have this huge skylight area which spans this entire residence, because once you're standing here coming from a double height door to this huge double height which is again flooded with so much amount of natural light that seeps in from the skylight. So let me take you inside this residence. This is the main lounge area of the house. What I love the most is that we try to create a completely column-free space. If you can just show them that, you would see that the space is entirely column-free. Now let me take you inside the main kitchen. The focal point is this backlit onyx marble which beautifully frames the entrance to the kitchen. So we walk inside, there's this beautiful cutlery unit. We have used subtle veneer panels on the upper cabinets, and also on the lower, the work of tinted lacquered glass could be seen. Further, we have the built-in micros, ovens, refrigerator, and it is facilitated by the use by proper dishwashers, and all sort of facilities have been given in this kitchen. So we have a separate pantry and a store and a wash area attached to this main kitchen. Now let me take you towards the main powder room of the house. So as you can see, on the lower ground floor, basically we have two rooms. One is on the left and one is on the right side of mine. right here if we enter, you can just show them. This is the main powder room of the house. So this was the main powder room. Now I can just give you a glimpse that we have one room towards the left and taking you towards the other room, which we have covered on this side. So this is the master bedroom of the house, and as you can see that the beautiful work of upholstery which highlights the zone. As you walk on this upper floor of the residence, what I completely love is this zone, because this is one zone which is the double height first, so we can always have a connectivity maintained to the ground floor and the first floor, and this feature wall is lit up and it adds so much of drama to your entire residence. Now here we have got 3 bedrooms. So this is the first bedroom. Walking inside, just the wardrobes were same, and right behind me is the washroom of this attached to this room. So this is entirely done in black Italians which run from the floor to the ceilings, and I love this wooden paneling which acts as a contrast to this black wall. So we came up with this huge L-shaped window that runs, and also we have got this beautiful ceiling design to highlight the sitting area. And what I love the most is so comfortable. You can just sit here, relax, you can have a coffee and a good reading space with a lot of natural light which comes from outside. I mean, I am that kind of person which love these spaces in the house. So now this is the main common balcony which is used by the inmates of the house. The best part about this is that they get a view of the outside. There's like huge courtyard areas. They get access to see their prayer room and their outhouse. So it just connects the entire outside space to the interiors of the house. And I love this flooring which is done in Lapato finish of granite, which looks great. It has been kept in mind that while we were designing this house, we should also keep maximum amount of green areas and the courtyard areas. So keeping that particular point in mind, the entire house was designed with the concept of maximizing the view to the outside. So the main prayer room and the outhouse was planned accordingly to increase the aesthetics, and also as it is designed by Vastu. So you can just show the entire span of the residence. I am completely loving this handover of this beautiful site to my clients. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more such vlogs, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do leave in your comments below and do show some love. Ta-ta!